Ever struggle with hot, stuffy rooms in summer? You crank the old fan, but it barely helps. Sweat pools, sleep is impossible. Allergies flare up. Window ACs are noisy, bulky, hard to install. Humidity makes everything worse. Sticky air everywhere. Finding relief feels like a never-ending battle. What if one device could solve it all? Meet the Whynter ARC-14S portable air conditioner. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Awarded Best Overall Portable AC by Good Housekeeping. Cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air for comfort. Powerful 14,000 BTU cooling for rooms up to 500 CW. FT dual hose system maximizes cooling efficiency. Quiet operation. Just 51 dBA at low speed. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, apartments. Built-in dehumidifier removes up to 71 pints daily. No more sticky, humid air, just crisp comfort. Activated carbon filter and washable pre-filter included. Breathe easier with advanced air filtration. 3 modes: cool, dehumidify, and fan. Full thermostatic control from 61° to 89°. Sleek platinum and black design fits any space. Easy to move, no heavy lifting or permanent installation. Comes with window kit and extendable hoses. Set up in minutes. Enjoy comfort instantly. Before winter, restless nights, sweating, sneezing. After winter, cool, dry, fresh air all day. No more noisy, inefficient window units. No more struggling with humidity or poor air quality. Just effortless comfort and peace of mind. Award-winning technology trusted by experts nationwide. Recognized by Time, USA Today, and the New York Post. Environmentally conscious, CFC-free fluid, energy efficient. Designed by Whynter, a U.S. brand since 2006. Ideal for homeowners, apartment dwellers, allergy sufferers. Enjoy powerful cooling without disturbing your sleep. Protect your family from allergens and excess moisture. Switch between cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes easily. Store it away with included storage bag when not needed. No complicated installation, just plug in and relax. Take control of your indoor climate effortlessly. Stop settling for uncomfortable, unhealthy air. Upgrade to the ARC-14S for total comfort. Notice the difference in air quality immediately. Say goodbye to sticky, sleepless nights. Enjoy quiet, powerful cooling all summer long. Perfect for large rooms, master bedrooms, open spaces. No more fighting over the thermostat. No more waking up drenched in sweat. No more worrying about mold or allergens. Just set your ideal temperature and relax. The dual hose system keeps cooling efficient. Activated carbon filter tackles odors and particles. Washable pre-filter makes maintenance easy. Every detail designed for your convenience. Award-winning, proven, and built to last. Enjoy peace of mind with Whynter's reputation. Trusted by thousands of satisfied customers. Don't let summer heat ruin your comfort. Don't let humidity take over your home. Don't let allergens disrupt your life. Choose Whynter ARC-14S for a healthier home. Experience the difference of award-winning cooling. Feel the fresh, cool air every day. Enjoy quiet nights and energized mornings. Transform your space into a comfort zone. Ready to upgrade your air conditioning? Get the Whynter ARC-14S portable air conditioner now. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Enjoy fast setup, easy use, and lasting comfort. Order today and beat the heat for good. Whynter ARC-14S. Cool, dry, fresh air, made simple. Your comfort, your air, your solution. Whynter ARC-14S.